Welcome to my YouTube channel on Marketing 5.0. So we have been discussing different topics, the topics which are unique, trendy, and futuristic in nature. And thanks much on your continuous support and views and subscription. And kindly keep watching for more interesting videos. In our series on Cleared and Explained, we have seen numerous videos. In this series, today we discuss about competition, a threat or an opportunity. Cleared. So that is what we will be talking about. So the competition is the way of life of every business. So we all agree to that. And if you want to do any business, it is imperative you will definitely have a competition in any business you do, any industry you go. So the competition is something which normally company looks at in a different dimensions. Either the companies will look up competition as a threat or an opportunity. So it is a dilemma. It's always there in the minds of companies as well as the academicians, practicing managers. So how they have to perceive the competition and how they can tackle it. So there are two dimensions, threat or an opportunity. So how the company can see competition as a threat? Suppose the company is in a business or an industry where they do not have a much of the other companies selling products or services and they were enjoying the benefit. It's a kind of a smooth ride. So in that case, when the company was enjoying a smooth ride, when they face any new entrants getting into the market and start selling similar products or better products, so that particular entry will definitely affect the smooth ride of the company. So it will lead to the plummet of sales in the short run, and gradually the profit will also reduce, and slowly the consumers will shift from the company to the competitors. So it will have the short term to a long term effect on the company, unless the company will look at the competition and gear up on the strategies, how to tackle it and how to manage it. So in this scenario, any company will look at competition as a threat. But how you can see competition as an opportunity? See, even though you are a pioneer in that particular industry, say example Amazon. So Amazon was one of the earliest companies entered into online industry since 1995. So they started selling books. But that was the time 1995 to 2000. Many numerous companies entered into this online fray, especially in USA. So many companies, so much of money is invested, billions of dollars invested. But by 2000, when this dot-com bubble busted, so most of these companies went out of the market because they do not have the strong business model or the revenue model. Also, they do not have any strategy for the future and how they will just go beyond that. So these are all the aspects definitely will affect the company's chances of looking into the future and tackling the competition. But if you see, the Amazon is a company, it's there in the market for almost 25 years and thriving. And we all know the last 5 years has been very good for Amazon in terms of the sales turnover from 100 billion to almost $227 billion they made in 2019. So such a like great ride for Amazon, because Amazon is always one step ahead of the competition, and they always see the competition as an opportunity. Not only Amazon, if you see all the successful companies in the world, they will always see the competition as an opportunity, because competition is a kind of the motivation for these companies to develop themselves. Suppose you say you are the best company in the world or in that particular industry. So how you can prove you are best in that particular industry if you don't have any competition? If you are only monopoly, you have to show it to your consumer you are best, you are number one. So you need to have a number two. You need to have other companies. Then only you can show yourself as the best company. It's like analog. If you want to see the time in your analog watch, you need to have two needles. The same way, if the company has to show it to a consumer, they are doing the best job or selling the best product or services, they need to have a competition. If they do not have a competition, the consumer will definitely do not appreciate whatever the best product or service you are offering, because they do not have any the other alternative to compare. So when there is no comparison, so there is no the identification of the value you are providing. So in this sort, if you see, the competition is required, is a competition is an opportunity. So the companies, they do not want to grow, they do not want to develop, they do not want to look beyond it. They are only focusing on the operations routine. They may look competition as a threat because they do not need anyone, so they do not want to grow. But those companies will also slowly, gradually decline and they go out of the market because consumers do not value them, do not appreciate them, because they were offering the same products and services without any changes. So gradually consumer will also leave them in a period of time. So it is very imperative for the companies to understand competition is not a threat, it is an opportunity for them to grow, develop, and show it to their target consumers. They are the best company in that particular industry and they are offering the best value, because without competition, without the other alternative product services, the consumer will not understand and appreciate whatever the company is offering. So in this sort, it is very clear that competition is an opportunity. It is not a threat. It is only in the minds of companies how they will perceive the competition is a threat or opportunity. But if you look at in this era of disruption, the competition should be looked into as an opportunity for the company to grow, and they want to move from good to great and become better and better. If they do not see competition as an opportunity, they do not get motivated and they do not want to grow. So it is very important for the students, the management students, marketing students to understand the competition has to be taken in the sense of an opportunity, not as a threat, because it is a great motivator for the company to scale greater heights. Once again, thank you very much for watching my videos from my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0, and please subscribe to my channel for new, interesting, trendy and futuristic videos for the days to come. And please share with your network. And if you are a academicians, please share with your students during your sessions. If you are a practicing manager, please share among your employees and get benefit out of this video. Once again, thank you very much for your continuous support. See you soon in my next video.